Ever wondered what it's like to have the calmness of a monk while living in today's chaotic world? In a world where distractions wait at every corner, how often do you feel truly calm? Or even in control? Probably not as often as you'd like. You're constantly juggling, constantly reacting, and before you know it, your stress level is through the roof, and your bad habits take over. What if I told you this doesn't have to be your life? What if, amidst the chaos, you could cultivate calmness, clarity, and control? Sounds like a superpower, right? But it's not. It's science. Yup, you heard me right. It's not magic, it's a skill. And you can learn it too, if you're willing to start now. But first, here's the real question. How do you break free from the storm of distractions around you? It all starts with understanding this. Calmness isn't just about sitting still in a quiet room. Sure, meditation is powerful, but it's not the only way. Self-discipline isn't a monk-exclusive superpower. It's something you can develop every day by simply focusing your mind. Whether it's yoga, boxing, or even knitting, anything that helps you focus on the present moment can put you in a meditative state. Yes, even knitting. No, you don't need to become a grandma to master this. Every time you engage in these activities, your mind sharpens. You gain more control over your emotions, and when stress strikes, you don't let it rule you. You rise above it. Imagine how much better life could be if you didn't let stress cloud your judgment. How many bad habits could you replace with healthy ones if you just focused on one thing at a time? But here's the exciting part. This isn't just about feeling calmer, it's about something much bigger. When you cultivate calmness of mind, you unlock true self-discipline. You become the master of your emotions, not their slave. You start replacing your bad habits one by one with habits that elevate you, that make you unstoppable. The more you practice, the more control you gain. And the best part? The more control you have, the happier you feel. Ready to transform your life? Start small. One habit, one focus, one moment at a time. And no, you don't need a monk's robe for that. This is your sign. Your moment to start is now. What will you do with it?